Yo, what's good, Weebs? My name is Joe.
My name's Fabian.
I'm Kevin.
And together we are
WeebsRUs.
Welcome back for some more Chainsawman reactions. We are still stuck in the hotel, and Denji just fell into the he jumped into the mouth of this demon. Devil.
Yep. Trying to kill him from the inside out.
Trying to make him suffer until he kills himself.
Yeah. Because he's scared of him. And he wants to become the eternity demon.
Mm-hmm. And we saw the symbol, no?
Yeah, at the end or whatever.
Yeah. If you guys do enjoy this reaction, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to
subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. When you guys do subscribe, make sure you guys click the notification bell just so you guys get notified every time we upload, because you won't miss out on everything and all things.
Weebs. And don't forget to join the Discord. You can catch Kevin playing COD.
Go Raiders.
The boys. And go Raiders.
And don't forget to also join the Patreon, where you can watch full reactions of any reaction. Any reaction? Yeah, it makes sense.
Any and every reaction.
So you can watch the reactions of any reaction we do.
Anyway, without further ado, let my boy Kevin react. Says, let's go right into it.
I forgot, bro. We gotta chug that girl off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, get rid of AS, bro.
What's her name?
I don't remember.
She don't deserve
Trash.
me remembering it. Damn.
Hey, so did he get a piece of him? Piece of his foot or some shit? His hand? Where'd that blood come from?
Turned the chainsaw on.
Oh shit!
Damn.
I thought he fell deeper into there.
They had never seen it, huh?
Nah, that's like the first legit.
What do you mean?
Damn.
Oh my god.
Oh, now you can't lose too much blood.
Bro, how do you know where to attack? Anything you see.
You're just swinging, bro. Just swinging.
Bro, I'm not trying to find your heart.
The fucking music.
Yeah.
I was thinking about it. I'm like, oh shit.
You hit a PR in this bitch. Yeah.
Yep.
That's what I was saying, bro. Find the heart.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Damn.
What happens if you eat his blood? Fuck.
So I guess the person or because
they know the chainsaw.
Yeah, because it was like chainsaw. How far have you fallen?
You've gotten weak.
Yeah.
They're like leeches, but the leech demon's dead, so.
Eat the demon, the devil. I mean. Yeah.
Oh. So you're just gonna start eating the thing.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro,
get some of that. Just drink.
I was about to say that. Blood.
Oh my god.
Ooh, strawberry jam.
Will him drinking his blood, make him go crazy?
The hunters, that devil. Oh, her old teammate before he died. Oh, didn't she tell him that? Who should tell that to? We heard that before.
Wait, what did he say?
The hunters that devil's fear are the ones with screws loose.
I don't think we've heard that.
Subaru.
So he's talking about all the ones are saying the ones that died. They needed to have screws loose.
Because they said the only thing I can remember kind of resembles that is they said that.
Oh, he's not dead yet. Then what's up?
I'm trying to remember what they said. So it's like the only thing that can resemble that is that the devils feed off of people, and then that the devils are scared of power. That's the only thing. But I don't think they ever said what that he said. Aki's still a punk.
Do better.
Yes. If he does, yep.
Bro, that's a huge ass field of dead bodies, bro.
Thing's big,
It's
bro.
huge.
Yeah, because you don't even see the end.
Oh, because this is the memorial probably for the gun devil
people.
People.
It's like a million something.
Yeah, that's crazy.
She just wants to take him off.
Cause if he does go towards, he's gonna kill himself trying to chase it.
Yeah. That's why now we got Denji. So you think this flashback will like? What do you think this flashback happened? Because she's watching Denji. She's like, oh, maybe now they actually have a chance. He's
Probably.
Crazy.
Yeah,
it's
he
like
has a couple screws loose.
Yeah. It's like he's crazy. He can actually like he might actually be able to do something.
Oh, his neck.
I know. I seen that shit. What?
Oh, what is that?
Oh,
she started him back up.
Yeah.
Eureka! He found the gold mine. He's all in blood.
Perpetual motion machine. The Nobel Prize is mine. God damn, I forgot about that.
Yeah, because she's like,
damn,
who would
real?
jump in there? Yeah, bro. Like, who?
Are we gonna? Are we gonna cut? He did it.
Yep.
I guess. Like, it's still going on for that long?
Imagine he's still killing it, bro. Oh shit!
Holy 3 days, bro.
No, they haven't They haven't ate anything either.
Nope.
Oh yeah.
It's over. It took 3 days, bro.
Oh my god!
Please, I'm sorry.
That's crazy.
Jeez.
I don't know why this reminds me of Max Steel. Damn, that was it?
Yep.
Nah, they gotta be like.
Nah, bro.
He has to be tired for a couple of days.
They all gotta be.
He's covered in blood.
What? Just for that shit? That's crazy.
Let's go eat.
Where's my kiss?
Oh, we got issues, all right.
As they should.
Damn.
He really
How do you even find that shit? Oh, I guess the other like leads you to it, but damn. Is she gonna go?
Damn,
I
think he has a crush on Makima, and what if she has a crush on him?
He is.
Yeah.
The Chainsawman.
Because probably like they know how powerful that devil is. Like I feel like we're like at some point we're gonna get a flashback or
Yo,
like
what
something.
if Makima's a gun devil?
Nah.
Yo.
Makima? You mean like the actual like?
Yeah, her. Talking about how she hasn't left Tokyo since Chainsawman got there. Which could be for other reasons, but I
was gonna say
this
like
is just a nerd theory.
that food looks good, bro.
Hell yeah.
I was gonna say maybe we're gonna get the flashback to at some point. What? Seen that person running? The flashback to the actual gun devil, the like the strong one. At some point, bro. That beer looks like good.
Sashimi.
Oh, that's.
Oh my god.
What should look like John, like Gene.
Yeah.
Feeling like PewDiePie over here.
Damn, bro. Oh, wow. Super forgiving.
Say I'm the chainsaw devil. Oh, never mind.
Damn, 16.
Oh my god. You too?
Riding.
Well, that's good. She's down bad.
Damn. You gotta do this with like. Damn.
In love.
Of course. These men don't care. It's like, bro, that's a bigger chance.
Damn, how'd she get there out of nowhere, bro? She's creepy, bro.
Damn, that exclusive?
Mm-hmm. Oh, damn. No, ma'am.
No!
Damn.
We are. Damn. No smoochies. The struggle is real today. That's right, Denji.
You know what? She can't be, because if they had him, I don't know if they have him on him, but it should be attracted to her.
There's gotta be something if it would be that.
It is.
Oh!
Fuck, bro. Man, these girls don't play, bro.
Damn.
Oh, shit.
Oh, nah. How is she not throwing up? Why is she sleeping?
Damn. Nah. Oh.
Oh, my.
Nice. He's like, but no, she's watching.
Yo, what the fuck?
This man, bro.
Yo.
Man don't know what to do, huh?
Nah, bro.
Oh!
What the fuck?
That just happened, bro.
Yo,
What the fuck?
I'm not fuck. That's crazy, bro.
Bro, no.
Yo!
Oh, no.
What the fuck?
Baby, gag a little bit.
No, really? Oh.
That's so fucking bad.
I mean,
well, I mean, he was eating garbage at one point.
Nah, bro, but that's
that's
gotta be
kinda
one of the
sad,
nastiest, like, even in real life, bro, that I've seen, bro. Nah, bro.
What a G.
oh yeah,
No,
bro.
bro.
Why the?
Bro.
Damn, why'd I get to the sad story, bro?
Jesus. Look, all you gotta do is just keep the first 5 seconds in your head, bro. So keep the first 5 seconds of as a memory in your head. Did you?
Uh-oh.
Nah, that's a gun devil right there. Bro. Where is he?
Oh, no.
Yo,
this one, bro?
dude, she's a fucking heavyweight, bro. She's wild, bro.
What do you think of my place, bro? You brought me here.
Oh, we're gonna see her eye.
No.
Oh,
She had to sleep.
this one's...
Nah, this is crazy. I don't know.
Oh my god, bro.
Jesus.
She's jealous. Move on.
This man's so like, it's like, bro, how do I get to this?
We'll find out next week if they do it.
Yo, this one's
We'll
fire,
find out
bro.
In the
Dude, this is like old school.
Yeah. This reminds me of
Oh, this was gas.
This reminds me of Pop Team Epic.
That's what I was gonna say.
This reminds me of Pop
but
Team.
this is cool though.
Yeah.
The whole thing, bro. This man's 16.
Fuck, bruh.
This is like an old ass video game. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, what is this?
Nice. Hey, yo, what in the name of High School DxD is going on here?
This is really how they were, bro. Like the intros and outros.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What in the name of High School DxD, bro?
Oh, that's crazy. Oh fuck, dude, I love this one,
Holy shit.
Bro.
It's like a trip. This is definitely a trip. GG's.
That was cool.
Oh, right at the end.
Yo.
Let's go.
So please check your internet,
Settings to reconnect. Blue, fix the internet.
bro. That was
That was probably one of the. That was an awesome episode.
It caught me so off guard.
For some reason, I want to say one of the best, but I can't really say. I don't know if that's a fact, but it really was pretty good. I mean, it was just good. I like how, if I'm gonna be real, like anime. I've never watched an anime. I never really watched anything but a shonen jump. I've watched some slice of life. We've always saw Quintessential. I did. It was fuck, man. That shit was hard to watch,
Mm-hmm.
to be honest. And then we watched Spy Family, which is alright too. But like, when an anime can get like this, I don't want to say like just sexual, but when they incorporate stuff like that, like real life, other parts of life into it, it just makes it feel more relatable.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Like I thought it was just about like like the whole fighting devils and shit.
But
Has
it
like
can
its own little
totally
side
relate
things.
to getting throw up in your mouth.
Yeah.
I think that's happened.
Nah, I've never had that.
That's happened to one of my friends before, but a different way. I'll tell you guys later. But bro, that was
Shit.
No, I'll explain to you later. I said,
Bro,
Yo.
like that thing right there, bro. Like I think I was laughing when I was going like this. Right, like, I was like,
He gagged.
yeah, bro. I think I did.
yeah.
It's just like caught me mid laugh, bro.
Yeah.
It's so weird. But that is definitely like that. I feel like that has to be in the top 5 most weirdest things, bro.
Funniest
In
anime
anime.
moments.
Yeah,
bro.
like
Top 10 funniest anime
like,
moments.
bro, ever.
I was thinking like in hentai. I mean, that's probably normal, but like
No, I think in
Oh,
most.
I thought you meant like the throw up was normal.
No, because I've never
think it happens on that.
yeah,
No,
I've never
I
seen
was gonna say.
seen an anime where shit's blurred out.
It happens sometimes. Like sometimes I'm censoring the middle finger, or there's censoring certain
Yeah.
things that's like they can't really show.
Oh, it's because like shit like that is tight in their country, huh?
No, Japan's pretty lenient about shit. It's China that's not lenient about shit like that. But I think it's just they can't show certain things like that on like TV because like this shit gets like live TV or whatever. I think too.
Cause like Saudi Arabia, They you can't show any PDA.
You can't.
You can't cuss out in public. Like, dude, that's crazy. Imagine, how do you go to a bar, bro? You just drink.
They don't go to bars.
You can't do that either.
You can't drink. You're not allowed to drink over there, bro. Oh, I think they banned alcohol at the World Cup supposedly, but they're still drinking like crazy.
Because they're trying to make money somehow. But anyhow,
FIFA.
Yeah. So we killed the hotel devil.
Yeah, I don't even know what it was.
The infinite loop devil.
Yeah.
They actually knew the chainsaw.
Yeah,
3 days.
Because they were like, oh, chainsaw is like, so, you became weak, and then it's like, how far have you like fallen? So that's my guess, that we're gonna get like at some point how we're gonna get to see how strong the actual chainsaw devil was.
You mean Puchita?
Because or whoever like he was like tied into before.
That's true.
Puchita.
What if it's Denji's dad?
Nah.
Yeah, you're right.
No.
Never mind. Sorry. I just thought.
It's crazy.
Yeah, bro. This man Denji was having a really hard time though. At the end, so having like he wanted to get the kiss, but at the same time he didn't want Makima to watch.
Yeah.
You got two baddies.
That's when you got your girl and your side chick, bro, out in public.
It's like
you're like I've never dealt with that, but I'm just saying. And I can imagine. I mean, just imagine, like, I'm with my girl, and then there's this other girl that I'm messing with. That's just
hypothetical.
Nah, actually, you know what? Never mind, bro.
Let me
I'm just gonna
cut that out.
I got you, but so it's like you have like your favorite Pokemon you're with all the time, but then you got that one you use on the side.
Yeah.
And then you go to battle, and that one sees you battling with the other one. It gets jealous. There you go. Yeah. Like that. You're trying to figure out which one to use and like how not to confrontate things and make things worse.
Yeah. If you guys did enjoy the Chainsawman reaction, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to
subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, you guys see you next week in the studio.